We're gonna make this incredible Thai peanut dressing to go over any salad real quick. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. I've already assembled my salad, so all I need to do is make the dressing. You could do it in the blender so it's nice and smooth and real quick, or in a bowl. It all starts with peanut butter. I'm using smooth peanut butter here. To sweeten it, I'm using a little maple syrup or honey. We're also adding some fresh lime juice. For the salty, we're adding some soy sauce. We've got 1 clove of garlic that I'm just going to grate. Make sure to grab what's at the bottom. And I'm also adding some ginger, some sriracha or chili paste, and a little bit of hot water to help dissolve everything. We're gonna take our whisk and mix this really well. We're starting slow to mix in that peanut butter with everything else. You wanna break it up like that. Now this right here is really thick. This is the perfect dipping for like satay or chicken. For dressing, we're gonna add a little bit more hot water and mix it in. Now check it out. This right here, I feel like has a good dressing, pourable consistency. You could also store it in a small jar or in a dressing container, so it lasts up to a week in the fridge. Grab it when you need it, drizzle it all over your salad, and this Thai peanut dressing is ready to go. Grab all the ingredients and measurements that you need to make it right below this video. See you next time. It's so good.